We are at Cove Fort, built in, I think it was 1867. It's a stone building over there. There's a big gate in front. There's a barn over there. Some kind of a little wood structure here. The grounds are beautifully maintained. I mean, look at the grounds here. It's closed now. We just missed it, and it's raining. But we've got all these nice buildings around here.
And they have mailboxes, so people live there. There's the bathroom, that cute little building.
Oh, there's the public bathroom there.
Oh, here's their big parking lot.
Mm-hmm. Flower pot, garden, tulips, tulip time. They've got this here. Looks like apple trees and other trees here. Lots of picnic tables. Hey, Mr. Ranger. Let's get some picnic baskets.
If you drive by, I can hold the camera out my window.
No pets on grass. And here is the sign.
No overnight parking. So we're just going to swing around and go back by the fort again.
This looks like their corral stables or what have you.
And that goes back to Highway 15. And this circles around to Highway 70. And if we keep going out this road and continue out Highway 70, we end up at Castle Rock Campground.
So here you see the old fence there. Closer to the barn. There's a Mormon lift in the background. It's a fulcrum for picking up things. Little business cabin there. Covered wagon. And again, here is the fort building. Nice rocks.
Yeah, it's cool.
And then you see the fence on this side here too.
Big old trees here too.
Nice fence here, and it looks like that house to the left we're coming up on is like the caretaker's place. So it'd be an interesting stop. It's just you got to get there in the daytime when it's open.
Okay.